Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Attorney Raleigh for an episode today of talking about some disturbing news that we are getting from many of our clients. People calling us a lot, talking about what we call the prudential revocation system that is being used by the State Department at the US consulate to revoke people's visas, especially an H1, F1, or ultimately people getting denied stamping because of reasons such as DUI, DWI. DUI, as you know, it means driving under the influence, and DWI means driving while intoxicated, which is pretty much the same thing according to them. And unfortunately, this is I've seen it earlier on some website, but I didn't know it was until I started getting calls from some of our potential clients, where they are getting denied, and now they want to know what to do next. For one, technically a DUI or DWI itself is not a deportable offense, because under the case of, I think, Leocal versus Ashcroft 2004, if I'm not mistaken, you are not inadmissible or denied based on that. However, at the US Embassy, it's a different story. When you are asking for a stamping, they have full discretion on the matter. And at this point, they have a right to deny you, maybe not under DUI, but usually they will deny you under a different section of the law, which is basically the 212 section. And especially if you had to undergo some kind of mental treatment because of that issue. And this is what they've been using to kind of deny people at the US Embassy. So now one of the solutions is, of course, to file a waiver to that 212. If not, of course, an appeal. But the best way is to refile your case. And if you're working for a good company, have the company basically contact the congressperson or someone to check on the case and see why the waiver has been denied. And at this point in time, I don't have enough information to give you a solution, because at the US Embassy, things are a little bit different than here when you're inside United States. So I'm hoping that we will get more information from other clients. But this is becoming a trend, and they call it prudential revocation when it comes to canceling your entire stamp on your passport. So only thing I just wanted to give that as an alert, to tell people to be careful. And our best advice right now at this point in time, and right now today, this video was made in February 2016, we're recommending people not to travel, especially if you're on an H1 visa, F1, unless you don't have any kind of issues, or you have a stamp on your passport already there. So be very, very careful. And if you have some kind of criminal issues, any kind of criminal issues, you are arrested, please give us a call at the office, 510-742-5887. We can prepare an advisory opinion before you travel. So in the hope that things will get better pretty much soon, we advise you not to travel. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and anything I told you today is educational in purpose. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office, 510-742-5887.